Hey guys, welcome back to the Daily DIY Dude channel where we do DIY dude stuff on a daily. Today I got a good treat for you today. We're going to make smash burgers. So let's get right into this. Alright guys, so I went with the 80-20 ground beef. What you want to do is you want to roll these things into 3-ounce balls. That's going to create the perfect patty once you smash it down. So just decide if you want a single, double, or a triple. And however many burgers you want, go ahead and get them ready. Let's put them in the refrigerator to get cold a little bit while we make our sauce. Alright guys, this sauce is really easy to make. Let's get right into it. What you want to use is a half of an onion, yellow onion, and you want to puree the onion. The best way to do it is on probably a box grater, which is pretty much what the attachment I have right here. So go ahead and puree a half of an onion, and this is what it'll look like when it's done. So let's go ahead and take 1 tablespoon of that pureed onion and throw it into a bowl. We're going to use half a cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Let's go in with 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. And then we're going to go ahead and stir this thing up, guys. Alright guys, now I'm going to go ahead and chop up some lettuce for these burgers. I don't like to use whole pieces of lettuce. I like the chopped lettuce better. It's a little bit more messy, but in my opinion, it tastes a lot better on the burger. Things got moving a little fast in the kitchen, but I did chop up a tomato really thin as well. And I also preheated my grill to high. And you also want to put mayo on the top and bottoms of your buns. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get these 3-ounce balls onto a hot grill. You don't need no oil or anything. You're going to want to let these sit for about 15 seconds. I like to throw a piece of parchment paper over top just so it doesn't stick to the spatula. And you want to flatten these things down as flat as you can get them. A good burger press would be ideal in this situation as well. And once you get these things flattened down, you just want to let them cook for a minute. You'll see. At this time, you want to go ahead and put your favorite seasoning on there. I would suggest seasoning very lightly. These burgers are thin, and if you put too much salt on there, you definitely will taste it. So pretty light on the salt. And right before your burgers are ready to be flipped, we're going to throw some of that sauce that we made. What that's going to do is when you flip them over, it's going to caramelize those onions underneath this burger. Let's flip these things over and take a look at this crust. That's what you're looking for right there. You want that dark crust. You don't want that fire. So as this other side's cooking, now will be a good time to we'll go ahead and put our cheese on there, and we can throw our buns that we put some mayo on onto the grill and let them go ahead and toast up a little bit. Alright guys, these burgers are almost ready to come off. Let's go ahead and prepare our buns. I like to put the condiments on the bottom. You can do it either way. It just seems less messy this way. So I'm going to throw a little bit of my sauce that I made on the bottom, along with some shredded lettuce, a couple thin sliced tomatoes, and then we're going to put this triple stack burger on there and see what we got. a little bit more sauce on top. Ain't never killed nobody. All right, guys, let's cut into this burger. And this was probably one of the juiciest burgers I've ever had. It was really good, guys. Check it out. And that's a wrap, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If it's something you like and you like to eat good, consider liking the video and maybe subscribing to the channel. More great videos to come.